This instructional video will demonstrate how to use the SimulEYE small pupil model for use with the Malyugin Ring. This model comes fully assembled with pre-made incisions. There's a 3mm main incision and 2 smaller side ports for right or left-handed surgeons. To use the model, fill the anterior chamber with viscoelastic. Place additional viscoelastic under the iris at the areas where the scrolls will attach distally and on the sides. To insert the Malyugin Ring, first engage the distal scroll. Angle the injector cannula downward while advancing the ring to help engage the side scrolls. Position the proximal scroll with the Malyugin manipulator. To remove the Malyugin Ring, using the manipulator, first disengage the distal scroll and then disengage the proximal scroll, leaving it over the iris. Using the injector, advance the hook to grab the proximal scroll and retract the ring up into the cannula, just until the left scroll overrides the top of the cannula. Then remove the cannula and ring from the eye.